Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Moore County in central North Carolina, southeastern Orange County in central North Carolina, Harnett County in central North Carolina, southern Granville County in central North Carolina, Lee County in central North Carolina, Wake County in central North Carolina, eastern Chatham County in central North Carolina, Durham County in central North Carolina, southwestern Franklin County in central North Carolina, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:44 Pittsburgh, Lewisburg, Millington, and Carthage. Straight line winds in Carthage.
Damage in other buildings. Shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning 9:30 p.m. until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties: North Carolina, Franklin, Durham, Granville, Harnett, Greenville,